Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down the news and the charts to give you actionable insights for trading. Today, we're going to be discussing the recent price action of the BTCUSD pair. Let's start with the latest news and events that might be influencing the market, specifically the U.S. presidential election. A recent Google search for Bitcoin reveals a mix of bullish and bearish sentiment, with headlines highlighting MicroStrategy's large-scale Bitcoin purchases and the correlation of Bitcoin's price to the potential outcome of the U.S. election. On one hand, prominent financial institutions and influential figures are expressing optimistic forecasts about Bitcoin's long-term growth, suggesting its potential to reach $1 million by 2030. However, there are also concerns about Bitcoin's energy consumption, regulatory uncertainty, and the potential impact of the upcoming elections, which are adding to the volatility in the market. Now, let's switch gears and delve into the technical analysis of the BTCUSD pair. If we look at the daily chart, we can see that Bitcoin has been on a strong upward trend since the end of October, with price reaching a new all-time high of over $73,000. However, in recent days, we've noticed a significant drop in price, which could be a sign of a potential reversal. Let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to get a more granular view of the price action. Looking at the last 24 hours, we see a clear bearish trend, with the price breaking below a crucial support level at $72,000. This indicates that selling pressure is strong, and the market is currently dominated by bearish sentiment. However, it's important to note that the price has found support at around $70,000. It's possible that this could be a temporary pullback and the bulls could regain control. Let's move back to the daily chart to assess the broader picture. Here, we can identify a potential resistance level at $75,000. This is where the price has stalled several times in the past, and it's likely to be a significant hurdle for the bulls to overcome. If the price breaks above $75,000, it could signal a continuation of the bullish trend and potentially lead to a further surge in price. On the other hand, if the price fails to break above this resistance level, it could signal a reversal and potentially push the price lower. However, we do see a significant support level at $65,000. This is where the price has bounced back several times in the past, and it's likely to provide strong support for the price. A break below $65,000 would signal a stronger bearish sentiment and could lead to a more substantial decline in price. Let's take a quick look at the 15-minute chart to analyze the short-term price action. Here, we can see that Bitcoin has been very volatile in the last few hours. There's a possibility of a short-term bounce as the price has found support near $71,000. However, the overall trend remains bearish, and any short-term bounce is likely to be short-lived. Overall, the current market conditions are characterized by uncertainty and volatility. The news surrounding the U.S. election and the global economy is influencing the market sentiment. This is creating a situation where the price of Bitcoin can fluctuate significantly in the short term. From a short-term perspective, it's important to be cautious and observe the price action closely. Any entry points should be carefully chosen, and stop-loss orders should be used to manage risk. From a long-term perspective, Bitcoin remains a promising investment with its potential for significant growth. However, the current market conditions are creating a challenging environment for investors. Patience and a long-term investment horizon are crucial for navigating this volatility. To summarize, the key price levels to watch are $75,000, $72,000, $70,000, and $65,000. A break above $75,000 would signal a continuation of the bullish trend. A break below $65,000 would signal a stronger bearish sentiment. The likelihood of these scenarios depends on the outcome of the U.S. election, global economic data, and Bitcoin-specific events. Additionally, keep a close eye on the volume and the overall market sentiment to gain further insights into the price action. As always, it's important to conduct your own research and make informed decisions based on your own risk tolerance. Thank you for watching Explain the Charts, and happy trading! Make sure to subscribe for more insightful breakdowns of the markets.